Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That's a 14 by 14 inch canvas covered with Sherwin-Williams Stop Sign Red. And it doesn't cover that well, so I would have to say those two coats that are on there have been sitting there drying in my studio for a very long time, and if it had covered well, I would probably not worry about adding a wet layer. I would probably just go over the dry, but I don't think it's going to hurt anything either, because I'm going to do a swipe. We have a friend of the family who is interested in a red and white painting, and I'm not sure I can bring myself to do strictly red and white painting. I think it implies a little lack of imagination, but that's what he likes. So I'll come as close as I can, and then I'll just admit freely that I'm going to put black on there. So I'm just going to lead some of that stop sign red right into the center. It's a Colors to Go color. And I believe that, I'm pretty sure I put some GAC 800 by Golden in there. No Floetrol, which would have been helpful because it's a nice thing to have to level paint, but it's not a thick enough layer so it matters. I don't think. Matter of fact, I'm sure. Definitely not a thick layer of paint. And I'm not sure why I'm fussing. I don't really want any marks left behind, but I need to stop now. Just scrape off my spatula. Yeah, can't trust me. So that's that. I'll put that in the bucket. I'm going to use some black, Amsterdam black. And I'm going to try and go a little slim. I'm really not sure what I'm going to do, but I have had some ideas. This is Amsterdam white. These both have, come on, open, Floetrol and GAC 800 in them. And I want to be able to have the white under the red that I'm about to put in. And the red is a Big Apple. It's a Prizm pour. I'm a Colour Arte affiliate, and it's a, like I said, Prizm pour. But I want to change it up a little. I want to put a little, oh, and it's closed. Of course it is. I want to put some, oh, I got it open. That was too easy. Shh, don't knock on wood, somebody. I'm going to put some jasmine in there, but I see that there's a bunch of bubbles from me having shaken the Amsterdam. And if that's not a bubble, it needs to go. My torch, my propane torch is brand new, so it makes life interesting right now. So if I can't do multiple colors, I can at least try and do a couple. That's my theory anyway. That was the Big Apple. This is the jasmine. I think I'm going to add a little bit of silver in there. I think I'm going to add a little bit of silver around the outside edge. Not sure why. Maybe I somehow imagine it'll be left there for me to tip. A little silver, a neutral, and some more Big Apple. Now, I've got a big enough spatula, but do I have enough paint to spread that around? I think I'm going to add some more black and white, just to give it a pathway to lead it across the canvas. I'm thinking that I'm going to tip this. I'm also beginning to think that I might want to put some orange in there. Just see, can't trust me. Because it shouldn't need that much paint. Now the orange, should it be saffron? Let's start with the saffron because it's closer to red. Yeah, I think I'll skip the orange crush for right now. Stick with the saffron. I've got black and white, and so I'm going to use black in the center, Amsterdam black and Australian Floetrol, And I'm going to use white on either side. I got some noisy crows outside my window today. I wonder if you can hear them. Oh, just stuck my finger in the painting. Okay, so here goes nothing. I got paint chips coming from somewhere. If I stop short, I can tip. Kind of like that. It's really pretty. I'm going to wipe off my spatula. I'm going to tip down to this corner. I've got an edge catcher. I'm going to wipe off my spatula in case I want it again soon. I don't think I'll want it again for this painting. And I don't think I care if this doesn't turn out to be something that is... I love, love, love this. That's great. What's that? That's bubble. I thought it was a thing. Now, fortunately, my edges aren't wet, which means I have some place to hold on to. And I think I do see something in there that needs to go. Maybe it was just a bubble. What a great color combination. I like what the silver did too. Try and keep it in a light. My studio lights are on my left side and the window is on the right, so now it's not impossible that I could go ahead and add another section if I feel like it, or maybe just some black to highlight it, like in just an accent mark. That might be kind of cool. Tip that right back in there. I see there's a few bubbles I'll be wanting to torch. If I had more Chantilly lace and I'm really low on it, I'd probably do that. And I might still be willing to give up my Chantilly lace that I've got. Or a little more silver. Let's go for the silver since the silver is right there, right after I pop that bubble. Yes. Alright, so there's a start. More bubbles. Kind of like that. I'm kind of wondering if maybe the orange would be nice. I've been doing a little bit of this manipulating of strands of color recently, and I really like the effect it has. I can leave that out the other side with a skewer. I had a bunch of skewers out yesterday and I cleaned up my studio. I'm just going to keep going with the same colors I've got in there. Try and decide what I'm going to do on the other side. I think I've got something I need to cut down in the yard. Oh, the sun is at an angle and it's behind some trees that are way in the front. I can't do anything about that. I thought I might. but I don't think I can. I could probably turn on the other light, but then we have a lot of reflection. I still haven't decided if I'm done yet. As far as putting another area of color in. Kind of like that. One thing I do like to do is take the skewers and widen out the bands of color that I use my squeeze bottle to apply. And sometimes once I have a little color on my skewer, that's the perfect time to slide it along. I'm trying to restrain myself, but I keep getting called to sour lemon with orange crush. And I need something in this bottom half. Let's see what the orange crush looks like first. I kind of love that, honestly. There goes my red and white theme, just gone. I've got some pink in that, on that skewer, and that's okay, because it looks good. I actually need a regular skewer and not a tool made with a skewer. Yeah, I really like that. I'm wondering if I need some up at the top too. I wish I quit sticking my fingers in the wet red paint. Alright, so I'm right back where I started. I never did do the sour lemon, which is really okay. Oh, and I dragged my bottle. Let's check that out. I think there's going to be some Chantilly lace in my future. I need a clean skewer. I'm looking, and on the floor, I found what I'm after. Pardon me while I'm being quiet. At least my head's not in the way. Knock on wood, somebody. Oh, wait. Alright, so I'm thinking Chantilly lace in that area. Hoping I have enough left in the bottom of my bottle. I'm not really done with the idea of the sour lemon yet either. Is that Tuscan Sun? No, that's sour lemon. I wasn't sure for a minute. I was afraid I was going to drag it in the painting again for a second. That's pretty cool. I'm not unhappy with that at all, but I still have a problem with the mark I left. French silk. I have French silk. I could do silver. Let's hope there's enough Does it need it on the other side? It kind of does. Huh. There. So whatever else I need to do to this, there's a little gap there. I kind of like that little gap though. I covered my goof. Let my drips go down over. It's different. I want I want Jasmine. Oh. And I had another little gouge in my paint, which is honestly perfect timing. I'm doing it again. All right. Sounds like a good time to stop the video. I don't think I'm doing anything else, so I'm going to shimmer this at you as best I can. And that's pretty cool. I think anyway. Let's see how it looks through the monitor. Oh yeah, I like it from up here too. And of course that background red will be matte. That's neat. Okay, so I love you guys. Take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Please watch my videos longer. It's the one thing the algorithm responds to, and my channel is losing subscribers substantially just because the algorithm needs to get rid of people who aren't watching, and then they don't advertise my channel so people don't watch. Please give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out, and I really appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, please come and subscribe. That helps me out too, big time. My paint pouring recipes are below show more underneath the video. My email address is easpbgallery and the word gallery spelled out @gmail.com. My link tree is the place to find a couple of my websites, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. My Facebook page is Priscilla Batzell /artist. And my community board will show you tomorrow's video. I have 32 playlists with 100 videos on them each. Questions are welcome and encouraged, and I do answer questions. My Amazon link is a great place to shop for my 2 books. Volumes 1 and 2 are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities are the first and the second 100 videos I made about paint pouring for YouTube. Thank you guys for the comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you to all the members who are keeping my channel alive. Thank you for the donations through PayPal. You help me buy canvases, GAC 800 by Golden, Floetrol from Australia, Just on New Gloss Varnish, all the things that are not Colourarte. And there is a Colourarte coupon code. I'm an affiliate, I think I mentioned. If I didn't, I shall again. And it's for 20% off. So go for Colourarte and see what you can find there. There's a lot of beautiful colors there. There's also Pixel Paint Designs coupon code for 10% off, and it will get you Australian Floetrol, Boom Gel, Pebeo paints, and everything else they sell at 10% off. So if I can help you, please do ask. And like I said, my paint pouring recipe is under show more, and if I didn't, I just did then. So I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm going to say goodbye for now and stop doing such a bad job holding my phone and shimmering at you. And that was fun. That was different. It reminds me of something from the 1960s, honestly. I'll see you anon. Don't forget, you can find out what tomorrow's video is on my community board. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.